Hello everyone, Achinte Gaumat this side. So in this video we are going to talk about Uber HackTag 2.0. It's a very famous hackathon conducted by Uber Technologies. So let's talk about this hackathon in detail. It's a very interesting hackathon which has lots of opportunities for you to learn, and its credentials which have lots of values. Even if you don't win, if you come into top finalist, if you come into top 50, top 100 students, it will be a lot of good thing to have in your resume. A lot of students ask me, sir resume में ऐसे क्या डालें जो हम शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाए, हो जाए. तो इस तरह के एक्सपीरियंसेस अगर आप रिज्यूमे में डालेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको एडवांटेज होगा. तो पहले बात करते हैं व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. इट इज अ हैकेथॉन इन विच देयर आर गोइंग टू बी मल्टीपल राउंड्स. प्राइजेस क्या है, लेट मी टेल यू द प्राइजेस. विनिंग टीम विल गेट 2,50,000, सेकंड टीम विल गेट 1,50,000, थर्ड टीम विल गेट 1 lakh, and all the other students will get the participation certificate. Yes, so everyone will get the participation certificate. What is the last date of registration is 25th of February, so there is a lot of time. You can prepare, you can check out all the details. Okay, so let's talk about each rounds in detail. Let me first tell you the eligibility criteria as well. Any year student can participate in this. There is no limitation of year. Open pursuing full-time BE, BTech, MTech, ME, dual degree. Any year student can participate. Second year, third year, first year, final year, 2023, 2024, 2022, 2025. Any year student can participate. Any branch, any domain can participate. You can participate individually or up to a team of 3 members. Okay, so 1:3, 1 to 3 is the term which is given to you. Cross college teams are allowed. You can create teams from your members of your same college or another college. Okay, there is no restriction. There is no restriction on number of teams from the college. Okay, so these are the basic things that you need to know. Let's talk about some rounds and the timeline. So first round will be an online quiz where you have to crack 20 questions based on CS fundamentals in 55 seconds each, and if you multiply into 20 that will be 1500 seconds, and that will be how much time, 25 minutes I guess, something like that. Okay, that will be conducted on 26th of Feb 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, last date to register is 25th of Feb as it is mentioned here. Free registration. Okay, all the students who are shortlisted to round 2, they will be doing an online coding challenge. Put your passion to only top scoring will be shortlisted to proceed to the next round. Coding challenge will happen at 1st March 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. After that, shortlisting team will be doing a prototyping on the basis of theme, problem statement. You have to make a project. It can either be a web project or an Android project. After that, there will be a mentorship duration from 18 March to 27th March. So top teams which will be selected from the prototype round will be getting mentorship from the Uber leadership. After final round will happen on 31st of March. Okay, so this is the timeline that we were to discuss. Let's talk about each round in slight details. Okay, so round 1, it's online quiz. You have to attempt the quiz individually. You will have to solve 20 questions in 75 seconds each. Team score will be taken as an average of all team members based on the test. On these test scores, teams will be shortlisted to proceed to the next stage. So every team member has to give this test regardless of how many members are there, 1, 2, 3. Average of each score will be taken as the team score. Second round will be online coding challenge. You will be going in coding challenge, shortlisted student. It will be open for 6 hours. Only team leader can attempt the 1-hour assessment in one sitting. So you can discuss on Google Meet, Zoom, solution, etc. But only team leader will be attempting, not all members. Okay, the team will be ranked and shortlisted team will be taken to the next level. And what will happen in prototyping, participants shortlisted from the online, they will be given theme, problem statement. They have to build a prototype or solution. You don't have to build a complete solution to it. You just have to give a basic idea of what your project will be, how you are going to solve it. Okay, so that they get an idea of what you are trying to achieve. Okay, so final team will get access to mentors from Uber, and top teams will win the cash prize, total pool of 5 lakhs, and prestigious cohort, mentorship, and some PPI opportunities as well, full-time roles and internship at Uber as well. So this is the timeline. Registration deadline of 25th Feb. Launch session of this will be happen on 14th of Feb on the Valentine's Day. I don't know why they have chosen this day. Another details are there. If you have any queries, you can contact on this email and register here. Link is there. Registration is very simple. I hope you are aware how to register on Dare to Compete platform. So you register, one person who is the team leader register and create the team name and invite the members to your team. So I hope I have covered everything. If you have any other queries, you can let us know in the comments. So participating in hackathons is very important, so I would recommend every student to register. You can see 4,000 students have already registered. It was just announced last, okay, so it was open from 7th Feb only. Today is I think 8th Feb, okay, तो एक ही दिन हुआ है अनाउंस हुए हुए, तो प्लीज़ जल्दी से जाके रजिस्टर करें. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड डोंट मिस इट.